My name is Felipe Diaz. I do technical support and sales at Klesing Industrial Supplies Limited. A digital multimeter is a test tool used to measure electrical values. These values include AC and DC voltages, AC and DC currents, frequency, capacitance, and resistance. Klesing sells the 117 and 179 True RMS multimeter and the 117 Electrician's Ideal multimeter. We also have multimeters for special application with additional features like the Fluke 88V Automotive Deluxe multimeter. This is used in environments of high power like those found on hybrid vehicles. Another multimeter is the Fluke 116 HVAC multimeter. It is specifically designed for HVAC professionals. It has temperature and microamp measurements to quickly troubleshoot problems with HVAC systems. For unattended monitoring of signals, the Fluke 289 data logging multimeter is the ideal fit. It has the ability to log data and can be graphically reviewed on screen. Inside the box, you'll find a user manual, alligator clips, test leads, a thermocouple, and of course, we'll find the digital multimeter. The Fluke 87 True RMS multimeter has a digital screen to display values, selection key, a selection dial, and terminals for the connection of test leads. The common test lead will be inserted in the common terminal. For voltage testing, the live test lead will be inserted into the voltage terminal. Use the selection dial to select for AC voltage, DC voltage, or millivoltage. Further switch the dial to test for resistance, continuity, or diode. To test for current, the live test lead will have to be placed in the current terminal. For microcurrents, further switch the test lead and place the live test lead in the micro amp section on the meter. If the leads are placed in the wrong terminals, the multimeter will give you an error. For example, this is the end of our video. Please follow us on Facebook at Klesing Industrial Supplies Limited and subscribe to our YouTube channel.